Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again. We're another Reverse 1999 content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. So again, Reverse 1999. I've been playing this game since day one. I'm enjoying the game, enjoying the content, everything else. One of the most free-to-play games in the in the gacha. There's no weapons, just the character. Just get the character. If it doesn't really matter if you get copies of her, it's all up to you. But like for me, I just get one and just you can practically clear content with this. Okay, so now there's a free. This is what they told about the um on the live stream. You will be getting a free summon 10 times daily, 100 in total. It's just like what happened in Silver and Blood, that they're doing it like daily. But this one is like a full 10 pull going into, at least you can PT it on the 140. So it can continue with that, guys. Okay, you might not for example, you failed the 50-50, you can fail the 50-50 here. Okay, it's just the same as any other banner, but you can choose who will you be selecting. And PT would be the same PT, and hard PT would be the same hard PT at 140. So you can like summon for 4 more extras moving forward with this. Like it's all depends on what you have, but please do choose what needs to be. Like once you choose it, you cannot change it back. Okay, so you also have this one. If you click bank on the far left side corner, you will see it. My face is not there, but like I'm just gonna be oops. Let's it's just on the left side of the corner there. There's gonna be a Decathlon, the Snow of Dusho. If you have like extra album of the lost whenever you're summoning premium summons, like summon 70 and you get one Decathlon. Okay, so don't. So that's gonna be, I'm telling you here. So go to the select section here. So this will show you your own and own character. So I already have my own character here, and I have an own character here. So on my side, okay, on my side, Bakarola. I haven't had Bakarola yet, but again, impromptu, paper impromptu will be coming in with Paper Heron, and Bakarola is one of your mainstay old impromptu teams. It's up to you if you want to still build your impromptu, but like I do reckon it's better to have your paper impromptu team with like Tooth Fairy and Paper Heron. So Paper Heron is another true limited character. So if you want to build them, just like for example, if you have Beryl already, I have my Beryl here. There's like always, remember, there would be two main characters, or and then gonna be the third one would be the one to accompany those two main characters in your team. Like for example, if you have let's just go here in my crew. So if you have Beryl here, okay, so I have Beryl here. I have Beryl, and then Beryl is one of your lingering glow, one of the damage dealer for your lingering glow. She's the mainstay. And then supplementing Beryl would be, where is that, Isolde. Okay, so if you want, you have Beryl and you don't have Isolde, so you have Euphoria, Isolde. I already have a portrait. Like I was like, I don't really need to get another copy of her. So, so if you want there, and then the third character in your roster would be Marsha. So those like three characters. Usually there's three, and then you can put an accessory on the fourth one. So that's gonna be your lingering glow, the newest meta team currently. So if you want a Nautica team, you have this one, Nautica. You have Sentinel. You have Sharon. No. Nautica, Sentinel, and Similwise. And Robuska. Sorry. And then if you have a Dynamo, you have Sharon. Okay. So that's Sharon, your Dynamo, Lucy, and Ulrich. So those are the like the things that you need to be remembering. So there would be also a ultimate team, or there's gonna be also follow up team with Anjanala, with the likes. So you can consider that if you're trying to build the team right now. So currently, if you want to go select, and if you want to build your Paper Heron team and you don't have a Tooth Fairy, you need to get Tooth Fairy here. Okay? And you pull for Paper Heron when she comes out as a true limited. Because like Tooth Fairy will have that Euphoria. Or, if you want to have Villa, she will have, like, she has that Euphoria. She's also a strong healer character. And then if you have your Beryl and you don't have Isolde, you can go to Isolde as your support for the Lingering Glow team. So those three are the main characters that you need to like focus on if you're trying to build a team currently right now. If you have a Nautica and you don't have a Similwise, I do suggest Not to get Similwise even though. So, but if you want a Corvus with your Dynamo, so again, she's one of the strongest damage dealing characters with Lucy, or if you want to remove Lucy, you can put her as your main damage dealer on the Dynamo team. So I might be getting Corvus. Bakarola, I was like looking out for her for a long time, but now she's far gone with regards to the impromptu. I might get her in the future, but like this is the only time that I'll be able to get the chance. I might get Corvus for my Dynamo, like for my hard hitting Dynamo for my raids. And then if you want Argus, you can go to that. An Lee for your support as well. If you wanna go support, she will also have that impromptu. But again, it's rather you have Tooth Fairy on your side. So Voyager, if you want your impromptu as well, but like again, like the impromptu currently right now would be um Tooth Fairy and then Paper Heron. Okay, I already have Kiparina, so to put onto the impromptu. So we'll see what happens there. So if you want Willow, you can go ahead with your poison, but like some of the characters will be coming in relevant to this poison, but like again, like I do suggest, like if you want Argus, okay, you can do that as well. But in my opinion, I'd rather go to my Corvus here. I was looking at my what I have right now. So Bakarola, I really want to have her, but the problem is it's been a long time and Paper Heron is already here. I do want that Paper Heron and Tooth Fairy combo, and I already have that. Instead of me putting Bakarola, because I might not use her anymore. Okay, so I'll be going in for Corvus. So it's all up to you guys. If you want what you need to get, like least priority would be Sotheby, Jessica. If you really are really pressed that you have Nautica and you don't have Similwise, maybe get a Similwise for you. But like again, it's all up to you. It's all up to what your team is needing. But currently, right now, Tooth Fairy and Paper Heron would be the choice. And I already have my Tooth Fairy. I already have my Lingering Glow team. I already have Isolde. I already have a Villa. So I'm not really really hard pressed on these teams. So now I'm focusing. An Lee is a support, but like I do really want my attacker for my Dynamo on added one. So that would be Corvus. So I'm gonna choose her. It's all up to you. Currently selecting Corvus right up is cannot be changed after confirmation. So I'm gonna confirm that. So now Corvus is here. So I'm gonna summon her once. So hopefully I'll get her here. So hopefully you get multiple chances of getting a 5-star character until before the PT comes in. So like that's gonna be every day. Okay, that's gonna be every day. Summoning every day. Free after 19 hours. You can use your gems, but I'm not gonna be using that. Okay, I'd rather summon 6-star character summon guaranteed within 60 summons. Let's see what we get here. And then after that, if you don't guarantee her on the next 120, I think it's 120, not 140. Like 120, you'll be getting her as well. You'll be getting her for sure. Okay, you can fail the 50-50 here on the 60th summon, guys. So yeah, I do suggest just keep staying here, and then so just summon every day. If you don't summon every day, the summons will carry over. It's fine, but I do suggest don't stay in for a very long time. Trying to wait for it, you might forget about it. So better summon it once every day. But again, it accumulates until the end of this 52 days. Shoutouts to Reverse 1999 for giving us this opportunity for summoning 100 pulls. So we have another free pull after this on tomorrow. So comment down below who are you choosing, and again, it's all depending on your team, on your roster that you're looking for. Again, if you want to see the thing here in Reverse 1999 is meta teams takes the cake. Other like I know that you want waifu over meta, but usually the waifus here are also meta characters. But do remember that there would be meta teams in questions that you need to be building, leading towards to what you need to build, trying to clear content. Again, there is some logic to the madness here, and Reverse 1999, there's always logic in trying to build your teams. It's just like not nilly-willy just pull for your favorite characters. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Again, this 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.